Can you hear me? Oh, there we go. Welcome to the 40th year anniversary of Kalanjali. We are happy to share this occasion with you, many of whom have traveled a great distance with us and have become part of our ever-growing Kalanjali family. It's with tremendous pride that I put these children of recent years on the stage with some of our students who have been with us from the beginning and are truly like family. I'm very gratified by the progress we have made. I started out in June of 1975 with 3 UC Berkeley students in a theater, and we just had class on the stage, and it was 3 times a week they had to come, but they came. And now it's grown into this huge thing, and I'm so happy. I love you all. We opened with Tirupuzhal, a brisk devotional piece on Lord Murugan, known in some parts of India as Subramaniam, Skanda, or Kartikeya. In these extracts from the famous Tirupuzhal, Murugan is described and praised. Riding on a peacock, you removed the pains of your devotees. You taught Om to your father, Lord Shiva, and he, together with your mother, the goddess Parvati, presented you with the magic spear with which you vanquished so many demons. You married the gypsy girl Vali. We surrender to you.